How to make MacBook read text to you. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Your MacBook comes with a built-in text-to-speech feature that can read aloud any text displayed on the screen. This is particularly helpful for multitasking, accessibility, or proofreading. Here's how to set it up and use it. Step 1. Enable text-to-speech. Tap on your Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the System Preferences option. Now, tap on the Accessibility option and then tap on Spoken Content. Toggle Speak Selection or Speak Screen to on. Step 2. Choose a voice. Under Voices in the Spoken Content settings, select the System Voice drop-down. Now select a preferred voice from the list, example Siri voices or other options. Also adjust the speaking rate slider to set the speed of the speech. Step 3. Use text-to-speech. Highlight the text you want your MacBook to read and then right-click or Control-click on the selected text. You will then see the option for speech. Tap on that and then select the Start Speaking option, and with this, your MacBook will read the text to you. So this is how you can make MacBook read text to you. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.